Hi, this is another short video. I just want to show you some tip. Basically, I've got a back box here and I need to fit the FCU, fused connection unit, into here. But the screws supplied with the plate are very short, and as you see, I've got cut hole in a backboard of this cupboard, so I have to reach there. So they are obviously too short. You can get longer screws, but if the longer screws will be too short as well, so I've got some solution for this. What you can use to extend this screw, there's a extension stud, as you see. There's a pack of 10 bought on Toolstation. I searched on the internet, but there's if you want to buy it, let's say today, so the only available shop is Toolstation. So what this do? This just extend the small screw. You see, there's the same thread, so this perfectly fit in here. I don't know why it's so. I don't know why this screw is so crooked. See this? Anyway, so pack of 10. I can't remember. I bought it for £5 probably. I need 2 for this back box. And what you need to do, the first thing, you need to take one of the studs, place it here. The thread is matching the, this bit here. Just screw it in. Oh, this will be enough. When you put another one, so this screw itself into another one on this side. Then when you've got the extensions in place, so you can screw easily the plate, the switch or FCU, whatever you've got. Job done. So if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.